ready, isn't it?
Yeah. What can be inside?
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are bringing you another unboxing sponsored by Fisher-Price. In here there are some more bits and pieces that you don't know.
No.
So we're going to have to open it up and find out what's inside, shall we?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel happy and excited.
Happy and excited, let's go then! Pop up. Whoa, Ella, look!
They're for me and Charlie.
Are they? Well, they're actually for you because these are for big kids. Okay, so Ella's just unboxed the two of these here. So we have the Fisher-Price Rocktopus, which teaches them instruments, facts and rhythmic patterns, attention and listening skills. And I think this is going to be so cool because it's like a proper little like drum kit, so it looks really good. And then we've got the Fisher-Price Teaching Tag Movi. Rocktopus is going to be really good for Ella because you know how to do your numbers, don't you? You know how to count up to maybe, I don't know, 30 or something?
Yeah.
But you don't know what number is bigger. So if you press that, 6 is bigger than 1.
Yeah.
So this will teach you, won't it? It's good because it's got maths, it's got music, and then it's got games. And I'm really excited to take this out. Will we take it out the box?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take out the box now.
Yeah, that has instruments on it.
It sure does. So cool. Ah, look, I've just seen in the back you can get the free Rocktopus app and you can create your own music video. That's good, isn't it? If you get your iPad, Mummy will get the app for you and you can make your very own music video.
Yeah.
Like Mummy makes YouTube videos.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. I'll be the same like you. I'll help you, Mummy.
I've just unboxed Rocktopus and I noticed that there is another additional couple of items. So this little part here just clips into the back and that gives you another 2 instruments. So we've got a trumpet and we've also got a guitar. Look at that, Ella, you've got another 2 that you can change them. Look, so you can take out the piano and put in the guitar and change them. So these toys here from Fisher-Price are preschool age, so that is from age 3 to 6, and that's ideal for Ella because she heads into nursery this year and it's good for her to learn all these different instruments, to learn all the different numbers, to count. It just gets so many different activities that she can do to keep herself amused. And actually, if we were going out, this isn't really too big to take out with us. So for it being a toy, it's actually quite mobile. How are you learning all the different instruments?
Guitar.
Guitar.
Push down the instruments to light them up. Drum kit.
Have you learned something new?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
I learned numbers.
Did you learn numbers?
Yeah.
And what else did you learn?
I learned that one.
Did you learn all the colours?
Yeah.
And did you learn, what was this one called?
That one.
Where did my
A tar.
A guitar, that's right. High five.
push down the instruments?
Thank you. Fisher-Price toys are always so well made, so Charlie will definitely get used to this in a couple of years' time as well. Right, I'm so excited to open this one.
Yeah.
So this one is Teaching Tag Movi, or Movi? Movi, how do we say your name?
Learn and play games.
This is so funny, you're going to have to run after it.
Quick guide. Who am I? Red for elephant. Green for duck.
Which one? Red for elephant or green for duck?
Green for that.
Fantastic.
That's amazing. Talk about easy assembly, watch this.
Think and move shape.
I mean, even I can do that. Do you know what? It's probably a good thing that we don't have a sofa just now so they can go crazy.
Let's make shapes. 4 sides make a square. 4 corners everywhere. It's easy as can be. Follow along and hop with me.
Stand up. Quick. Stand up and hop.
Jump up high. Clap your hands. Get down low. Shake your hands. Silly and shake.
It teaches your kids to follow directions, so it will say things like there's a green light, a red light, It'll say to them what to do, like Ella's been doing. It actually makes them think about things. So like the object, what shape is a piece of pizza? Is it a square or is it a triangle? And it'll ask you to click which button on the back. And at the back here it says crawl around like a tiger in the jungle, and it's just so cool because it teaches them how to actually act like animals, which I don't think my kids have got any issues doing. Movi says shimmy and shake it. They two are going to have such a ball with this. It's so fun. A circle is round, so it's just teaching them about shapes, and also it teaches them how to learn and play like hop, skip and jump. It's just such a good little bit of kit, and I think Ella is definitely pleased with them, aren't you? Are you enjoying these, Els? Yeah?
Push back button. Press red to play again.
I think you like them, don't you, Ella?
Yeah.
You give them kisses?
Yeah.
They look good together as well, don't they?
I'm waiting.
Always waiting. He's cheeky, isn't he?
Yeah.
So, what do you think of them?
They're beautiful.
Are they beautiful? You
Yeah.
having fun with them?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, overall, another couple of amazing toys from Fisher Price. We're really pleased with these because they're a really good age group range for Ella as well, because a lot of stuff tends to be really young for her. So the fact that this has more kind of like interactive, more learning, it's really, really fun for her. So I think we are going to have a lot of fun playing with these in the future, aren't we?
Yeah.
And they feel amazing as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching us unbox these and play with these new toys. And we will see you very soon. Thanks for watching.
Bye.